costa gofal plant.
Mae twf wedi bod yn ara rwsyd yn y blynyddoedd dwytha yma.
No, it's always a worry having a business. The electric and gas, I always worry about that.
Iechyd, wrth gwrs.
Definitely the hospitals, being able to go to A&E.
Mae mama'n trio mynd yn ôl i gwaith a mae o jyst yn teimlo'n amhosib weithiau efo'r costa. Weithiau sy'n teimlo sa well os oes nhw'n dilyn be mae Lloegr di reid ac yn cynnig gofal i plant o neu babis os fyd o 9 mis, fatha maen nhw wedi wneud, ond da ni'n cael sy'n mynd 3 hanner yn Gymru, so mae'n neud o'n hanodd iawn i mynd yn ôl i gwaith.
Da ni wedi bod trwy profiad Beth yn hynna'n diweddar mewn chwaer yn ysbyty, ac oedd un yn y ward o'n cadar am 2 noson. Roedd y teulu ddim yn hapus.
The doctor's surgery where we are, in Penryn, that I use, is really good, but sometimes you feel like you can't always get an appointment that you need.
Ond dim bai y unigolion oedd o, bai y system dio. Dyna beth da ni'n dimlo.
The electric and gas, I always worry about that. Because we got stung after COVID, because it went up to nearly £7,000 a month. But at the moment, it's okay, but looks like it's, with what's going on with the war and that now, it looks like it's going up again. And it is a worry.
A few more buses out of Blaenau would be lovely.